Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pesto omelette. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of your favorite pesto, and 1 tablespoon of milk or cream for richness. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter or oil for cooking, and any optional garnishes like grated Parmesan cheese or fresh basil. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth and delicious cooking process. Now, let's prepare our eggs for that perfect fluffy texture. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, along with a small pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavors. Whisk the mixture vigorously for about 30 to 60 seconds. You want to see it become light and frothy, incorporating plenty of air for a wonderfully airy omelet. It's time to cook our delicious omelet. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in an 8-inch non-stick pan over medium heat until it shimmers. Pour in the whisked egg mixture, letting it set for about 30 seconds without stirring. As the edges begin to cook, gently push them towards the center with a spatula, tilting the pan to allow any uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this process until most of the egg is set but still slightly moist on top. The final step brings in that wonderful pesto flavor. Once the omelet is mostly set but still a little moist on top, spread 2 tablespoons of pesto evenly over 1/2 of it. Let it cook for another 30 seconds, just enough for the pesto to warm through and release its aromatic oils. Carefully fold the omelet in half using your spatula, then gently slide it onto a warm plate. Garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of cheese, and enjoy your delightful pesto omelet immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.